Install new drywall over a tub surround when there are large flange gaps by using a combination of bead, shims, and mud so the transition is watertight and smooth. First, remove any loose material and clean the flange and surrounding studs so the new drywall sits flush. Measure the gap and cut backerboard or drywall strips to bridge the space, leaving a small reveal to accept a trim bead such as Trimtex that snaps or embeds into the compound. This bead creates a consistent edge and protects the joint. Where the flange sits proud, build out with thin shims or tapered strips of plywood behind the drywall so the face aligns with adjacent wall planes. Secure shims to studs only and keep fasteners set below the drywall surface. Use a water-resistant joint compound or setting-type compound for the first fill to avoid softening from moisture, then embed tape over joints and press the bead into the compound so it seats firmly. Apply 2 additional coats of thin compound, feathering each coat at least 8 inches beyond the previous to blend planes, sanding lightly between coats with a fine sanding block, and using a damp sponge to remove dust. If you used a tearaway plastic strip behind the bead, remove it after the final set and touch up the tiny gap with a flexible caulk designed for tile and tub interfaces. Common issues are leaving the flange unsupported, which causes movement and cracking, so always shim and fasten backer material to studs before finishing. Another mistake is using only pre-mixed compound in the first fill where moisture is present, which can fail, so use a setting compound for the base coat and pre-mixed for finishing. People often skip proper feathering distance and sanding, which leaves visible ridges after paint, so extend each coat well beyond the last and sand progressively with fine grit. We run bighomeprojects.com and we help homeowners find local contractors and compare contractor profiles based on project types. Our site also connects contractors with work opportunities and hosts a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips and recommendations.